Why is everything all shaky? My pole loosened up again. I apologize, as you can see. If you ever use your camera and a snowflake gets into the speak area, let's turn the camera on and put this right next to it. You can't hear that. And let's change it.
C1.
Very low. So we're going to take a blower and you're going to look over here and blow it out. So let me put this on because doing things single-handedly like this kind of like annoying for me. So I'm going to blow. And I'm going to have to do this for some time, more than a minute, to get this to go. So I'm going to continue to blow. So let's change. It's going to be hard to press.
C1, C2, C3.
And shut it down. Almost back to normal. Normally it's loud to turn on. And there you go. You never have that problem again until the next snowflake falls. Oh, just let it dry. You don't need one of these all the time.